video, I will show you how to download Peacock TV application on your smart TV. If you find this short video helpful, like and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this. So if you want to download Peacock TV on your smart TV, here's what you can do. If you don't have Google Play Store, then use this application called Downloader. It's a very nice, interesting application. What Downloader does is that it helps you source files, APKs, and anything they want to download to your smart TV from across the internet and download it to your smart TV. So it's very easy to use. You don't have download on your smart TV. Check the description of this video. There is a link there to install and download that to your smart TV. So once you come over here, what all you have to do is to type in Peacock. So Peacock TV is a streaming application for its clients. You can use it to stream or watch TV on the application on your smart TV. So all you have to do is type in Peacock or Peacock TV if you want to go. But for the sake of time, we're just going to type in Peacock and then we'll go ahead and search. And the search downloader is going to show us where we can download Peacock from the internet to our smart TV. So here are the various ways you can watch Peacock TV here or Android, the best VPN, so on and so forth. But we want the application to our smart TV. So scroll down a little bit, you're going to see an option that lets you install or download the application to your smart TV. And here's the option here. So just come over here and click on it. Once you click on that, it's going to show you how to install Peacock application if it's available in your area. So if your smart TV supports Peacock TV, then you're going to see the install button here. Unfortunately, mine doesn't. So if this video is helpful to you, subscribe to the YouTube channel for more important videos like this.